Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can disable YouTube restricted mode. So without further ado, let's start. To begin, open your YouTube app and then go to your profile page. From your profile page, select Settings. From your settings, tap on General. And then you can see at the bottom, Restricted Mode. When you enable restricted mode, this helps you hide potentially mature videos. So now to disable these settings, just tap on this blue button. You can enable or disable this restricted mode anytime you want. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.